Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Every once in a while a company will send me a tool to check out and kind of give my opinion on. And so recently I got this tool here from Saker. It comes in a nice carry case. And this kind of reminds me of a DeWalt tool, except for I don't think it's near as expensive. This is a brushless impact. It's got a 1/2-inch drive there. It's a variable speed, forward and reverse, and this thing has 300 Newton meters of torque. But it also can do really delicate stuff. Put your battery on there, and what's kind of nice about this is when you put your battery in, all you gotta do is pull the trigger. But it also has a battery readout right there. It tells you how much power you have. And then you push this button and there's a high torque and a low torque setting, depending on what you're doing. So that's nice. You can adjust it. I've used this for a couple things. One of the things I use it for, I threw it in our camper and I use it to raise and lower the jacks. So that was handy. So this comes with its own charger. It comes with 2 batteries, and it comes with 5 sockets. They're painted like impact sockets, but I don't know if they are. This is a 22 millimeter, 19, 18, 17, and 14. Got some 1/2-inch sockets there. If you want to use this as a driver, you put this little adapter on there, and then you can put like Phillips driver bits in there. And you can change the torque to high or low torque. You can remove and drive screws with that. So that's really handy. It also comes with this little thing here, and it drives your bit. So you can, I guess, get into some weird places. It also comes with some drill bits. So these just clip right in as well. And then you can drill holes. That's nice too. So I've used this on my camper. I've used it to remove some screws, but what I haven't did was see if it will remove lug nuts. So let's go do that right now. Got my trailer here. Let's see how it does. It does do lug nuts. This says it has dual vents, probably those right there, to keep it cool. Yeah, so far I haven't really had any issues with it. It also comes with several of these sockets that fit on here. So you know guys, sometimes the cost of some of these tools are pretty steep. So this is a little bit more of an affordable option if you just need a versatile tool to do lots of different things. So I'll leave all the links in the description below the video if you're interested. And I appreciate Saker for sending this to me to try out. Definitely something I'm going to keep around and use.